Well, I just did a video on what to do if this here dies completely. I don't want it to get to that point, so I'm going to change the battery. You slide this over, pull it out. Now keep in mind this is 2021 Jeep Cherokee. It should be the same on almost all vehicles. So in order to get the battery inside, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to undo this screw right here. Just a simple Phillips head. So let me go ahead and take that out. Okay, so I just undid the screw with this screwdriver here. It's from a mobile, like a phone repair kit. So anything like really small like that. Just going to pop the screw out like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of, ew, that's dirty, like really dirty. I'm just going to go ahead and like pry this apart. So I need two hands, so give me a sec. This is a random discovery. It actually kind of helps with the badge holder on here. Like you just slide it in the side. I'm going to slide it around and pop it off. Makes it easier. There we go. I guess at a certain point it just pops off like that. So you just go ahead and take this off. Now this whole keypad comes down and voila. There you go. This is the battery I'm going to replace. As you can see on the battery, I'll just tell you in case you can't. It's a CR2032. This is a good one, Panasonic. I have cheap Chinese stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop one of these here out and exchange it. So once again, you want to make sure that you have these three tabs, so slide it in the direction, obviously, that the tabs aren't. You have the little clips on the side to, so when you go and put the new one in, it just kind of slides on in. Just pop it out like that, take the new one. If it makes it easier, I mean, this whole circuit board comes out. You're not going to fry anything touching it. It's perfectly fine. Just go ahead and slip the new one in like that. And then I just put this back into here. And then this whole thing here pops back into here. I'm actually going to clean it before I snap it back together. But if I didn't need to clean it, I'd go ahead and snap this back on. Go ahead and take this key, put it back in. And, I mean, it should be functional right now. And I could hear the car, I mean, you can't, but I can hear it make the beep sound in the driveway, whereas before I had to get like within 5 feet of it for it to work. So that's how you change the battery in a key fob.